it? The
hen was
yeah
in
in
the
the
hat.
The hen was in the hat. You did it, buddy.
In the
The
frog was in the hat.
oh my goodness, buddy, you did it. I'm so proud of you. I'll try the next one. What do you see? What's that one? Yeah. What's that hard word?
The hen
No, try it again. Sound it.
hat was not
sound it out. Sound it out.
but
What is that one? B-I-G. B-A-G.
big.
Big. Read that sentence then. The hen was not big. You're losing attention. You did great.